Approximately 20% of the population, that's 1 in 5, have dyslexia. It is most commonly misunderstood as a reading and writing issue. While these are symptoms, they do not define the neuroscience behind dyslexia. Now, our brain has an outer layer called the cortex. The cortex is home to a series of mini-columns, telephone-like poles linked together by cables called axons. Now, people with autism have axons that are grouped incredibly close, and as a result can often perform complex calculations within smaller periods of time. Dyslexics are on the other end of that spectrum. We have mini-columns spaced wide apart, and therefore we have an incredibly difficult time with phonetic decoding, such as reading and writing. In fact, dyslexics expend 5 times more energy to read and write than non-dyslexics. But having wider axons does lend itself to some significant cognitive advantages. Dyslexics have an increased ability to find patterns, correlations, and similarities from seemingly disparate pieces of information. This offers an advantage in creativity, multidimensional thinking, and innovation. Now, in a recent article published by Fortune magazine, it was discussed that amongst the world's most successful executives, dyslexics were by far overrepresented. With 35% of all entrepreneurs, 40% of self-made millionaires, and 50% of all rocket scientists being dyslexic. When empowered with understanding their own creative intelligence, dyslexics are capable of achieving great success. The mental faculty causing dyslexia is a gift, a kind of perceptual talent. If it can be harnessed by our education system, imagine the creative possibilities this could unlock.